Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Imagine a dish that's a symphony of flavors, a celebration of Middle Eastern cuisine. Picture tender chunks of beef or lamb simmered in a vibrant sauce of tomatoes, herbs, and spices. Now imagine that dish layered with thinly sliced zucchini, eggplant, bell peppers, and potatoes. This is Torley tagine, a cornerstone of Arabic cuisine. Originating from the diverse culinary traditions of the Middle East, it's a dish that brings families together and warms the heart. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey to the Middle East as we prepare this delightful dish. To create this masterpiece, you will need the following ingredients. Start by sourcing half a kilogram of either beef or mutton, cut into small cubes. You'll also need a large onion, finely chopped, and 3 cloves of garlic, crushed. For the base of our flavorful sauce, we'll use 2 large tomatoes, finely chopped, half a cup of chopped parsley, and optionally, half a cup of chopped coriander. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 tablespoons of olive oil for an extra layer of taste. Spice it up with a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of ground hot pepper, if you like it spicy, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and salt and pepper to taste. For the colorful vegetable layer, gather 4 to 5 zucchinis, 2 to 3 eggplants, 2 to 3 green peppers, and 2 to 3 potatoes, all thinly sliced. Now that we have our ingredients, it's time to start cooking. Begin by warming olive oil in a large tagine or pot over medium heat. As the oil heats up, it's time to introduce the finely chopped onions and crushed garlic. Allow these to sauté, stirring occasionally until they soften and turn a beautiful golden color. Next, add the cubed meat into the pot. Stir it around, letting each piece brown slightly, absorbing the flavors of the onion and garlic. Once the meat changes color, it's time to introduce the chopped tomatoes and tomato sauce. Continue to stir for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Now add the flavor powerhouses, the chopped parsley, and if you choose, coriander. Sprinkle in the ground cumin, hot pepper, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. Mix these ingredients well to evenly distribute the spices. You've now successfully prepared the aromatic and flavorful base for your tagine. The adventure continues in the next step. Next, we're going to layer in our sliced vegetables. Let's start with the zucchini. Thinly slice the zucchini and arrange them evenly over the meat in the pot. Next, we have the eggplant. Just like the zucchini, slice the eggplant into thin pieces and layer them in. Now, for a pop of color and flavor, thinly slice the bell peppers and add them to the mix. Finally, we'll add the sliced potatoes. Make sure all these vegetables are evenly distributed to ensure every bite is bursting with flavor. Once all the vegetables are in, it's time to cover the pot. This is where the magic happens. Covering the pot allows the vegetables to steam, soaking up all the wonderful flavors from the base. Let this cook on low heat. Patience is key here. Allow this to simmer until the ingredients are tender and the flavors meld together. Once your Torley tagine is cooked, remove it from the heat and let it rest for a few minutes. Now, it's time to serve this aromatic masterpiece. The traditional way is to serve it with cooked rice or Eastern bread, which perfectly soak up the flavorful juices. For a final touch, sprinkle additional chopped parsley over the top. This bright, fresh herb not only adds a pop of color but also a burst of fresh flavor. And there you have it, a delicious Torley tagine to transport your taste buds to the Middle East. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking. Enjoy your meal.